Masterpiece. 32 counts, 2 walls, intermediate. Weight on the right. Section 1. Left foot. Back with sweep. Behind quarter forward, facing 9. Forward right, full spiral. Press left forward, recover with sweep. Behind 1/8 side, press forward. Now facing 10:30. Coaster, back together. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, facing 10:30. Rock, recover, 3 forward. Now facing 3 o'clock. Forward left, 3/4 spiral, facing 12. Side right, sway left, sway right, sway left. Cross side. Count section 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3. Right foot, back with sweep. Behind quarter forward. Forward left, making half turn. Back right, reach left hand forward. 2 shuffle half turn. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, rock, recover. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 4. Forward left with sweep. Quarter diamond fall away. Cross 1/8 back, back. Behind 1/8 side. Forward, now facing 12. Chase half turn. Step, half, step. Facing 6. Forward coaster. Forward, together. And start the dance again. Back sweep. Count section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start again. 1. Tag after wall 2, facing 12. The first 3 steps are the same as the beginning of the dance. Back sweep, behind quarter forward, and count 1, 2, Make a quarter turn, side, touch, facing 6, and count 3, 4. That's the end of the tag, and start again, back sweep. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start again. 1. Wall 6. Last wall. Dance up to count 20. Wall 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. End of the dance.